Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to reset network settings in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Resetting your network settings in Windows 10 using the Settings app is a straightforward process. Here are the steps. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings, or press Windows key +I. In the Settings window, click on Network and Internet. Scroll down in the left-hand sidebar and click on Status. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Network Reset. In the Network Reset screen, click on the Reset Now button and confirm by clicking Yes when prompted. Your computer will restart automatically within 5 minutes. If it doesn't, you can restart it manually. After the restart, reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks and reconfigure any custom network settings. This process will reset all network adapters, remove saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, and restore network settings to their default state. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.